welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Julie, and if you haven't seen me before, I'm 53. I was born with spina bifida, scoliosis, and I have done previous videos about my disabilities. I was just gonna introduce you to my parrot, but he's just done a bunk. Frankie, come here. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Hello, darling. Hello. Oh, is my dog jealous? Is Elsie jealous when I speak to you? Yeah, you tell him. Tell him. Yeah. Say stop it. Stop being jealous. Say hello to all my subs. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. You talking? You gonna talk? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh. Oh. Nosy. This is the one that always joins in when I'm trying to do videos. You mad? You mad? Say, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. No? That's my crazy parrot who just tries and joins in on the videos as best. She's a 2-year-old Conure, and she's called Frankie Moo. We call her Frankie Moo. She's always out of a cage, never in a cage. She does her own thing. She does chew my bloody wallpaper, which she's just started to do, so I'm going to have to decorate again. But she's really tame, she's really chatty, very protective of me. If we had some workmen come in to do some work, and because she didn't recognise the voice, she flew straight down to see who it was. She's very, very protective of me. They do usually bond with one person, and it's me she's bonded with. She's just a beautiful little bird. She's not too big, she's a good size. So yeah, she's never in a cage at all. She'll go and sit on top of the TV or wherever I am really. She'll just tootle along. The dogs, I've got 2 dogs. She gets on with Charlie, my hairless. She'll go and sit with him, but Elsie is like, she's only 12 months, so she's not got used to how to behave around the bird yet. So we're still training her with that. But Frankie's quite clever, and she knows not to go near Elsie. So she always keeps a distance if Elsie's around. You are so beautiful. Are you flying? Yeah? So I thought I'd introduce you to her, because she's always sometimes just dive bombing into my videos. I will show you a bit about the dogs at some other point. Can you hear her talking? Hello. Elsie, stop being jealous. Say, stop being jealous. Stop being jealous, Elsie. Say, behave. Say, behave. Say, behave, Elsie. Elsie, stop it. The joys of dogs and birds. Anyway, guys, please like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you again shortly. Have a great day.